Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the essentials so the fix isn't chasing symptoms. Sign into the same Apple ID email on your iPhone and Mac, and make sure iMessage is toggled on. Once done, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi or cellular data source because activation requires a network handshake. If you changed the email recently, wait a few minutes for Apple servers to sync. Now, go to Settings, tap Messages, then Send and Receive. We'll select and verify the email address there. Now you configure where messages originate and land. In Send and Receive, enable the email you want to send from and set it as the Start New Conversations from address. This makes outgoing bubbles come from that email. Make sure all devices using your Apple ID show the same choices, because conflicts cause delivery as green SMS or failed sends. If the email is missing, sign out of Apple ID on the device, restart, and sign back in. That forces a fresh sync with Apple's servers. To finish, restart your iPhone and any other Apple devices, then send a test iMessage to a contact's Apple ID email to confirm blue bubbles. Make sure date and time are set automatically. Incorrect time can block activation. If messages still send from phone number or fail, reset network settings and toggle iMessage off then on. If that doesn't work, sign out of your Apple ID on all devices, sign back in, and wait 10 to 15 minutes for server propagation. That single step resolves most lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.